is our spot for sharing excess produce. If you have any excess tomatoes or onions, or you can put it in here and we can share it with anyone, any of the gardeners. Chris brings in coffee grounds from the local coffee shop and puts them here. They're really good for your garden, for composting, lots of stuff. She hauls those in every week, 2-3 times a week. A little place where people, for a little community and seed and seedling donation area, where I put little empty seed packets, plus some people have left some seeds for us, and then we're gonna plant seeds and have them in here. All the information on it, the pot map, all kinds of different things. And then this is our it's called our she shed, but it's the front shed that has all our tools in it, everything you could possibly need for gardening. This is our little pergola where we can plant little seedlings. We're going to do that for the library. All the wheelbarrows up here, cardboard for the weeds down. We put cardboard down and wood chips. Here's some of the gardens along the way. It has lots of nice stuff. Our people garden. We have a lot of flowers for the butterflies. Lots of butterflies on there. This is our community shaded area where we can have little classes or barbecue or whatever. This is our veterans garden. It's gonna be redone by a Boy Scout who wants to turn Eagle Scout. He's doing fundraising for that. Call this our fruit garden, and I just really water it and try to keep it nice. This little shed is the Big Brothers Big Sisters shed with all the spots. And the left corner is our it's our orchard, but it's very new. It doesn't have a lot in there yet. And then we'll work our way back around past the veterans garden. We can go through the veterans garden. Each one of these is rented by individual gardeners, so they all have different themes and things growing and how they want to do their own plot. There's a whole bunch more over here. You can have dogs as long as they're on a leash. Oh, the fancy one, the most impressive one, I think. Look how big the leaves are back here. They're like as big as elephant ears. Well, not quite. Look at that. I'm starting to run out now. It's kind of getting towards the end of the season. Yeah, these are prettier. I'm not dying. I did it because I'm impressed with your big leaves. You can come in.
No, that's fine.
It's huge. Bigger than my head.
It is a baseball bat. Go the other way. Go. Bam, bam.
Here's a pumpkin. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. See that? Right in there. And then this side has a butternut squash. Maybe we can get a shot of it. Oh, and look, she put it in a thing so nobody could eat it. That's smart. Put it in a little plastic thing so the critters can't eat it. Genius, these people. Look at that thing. It's going crazy. It's trying to get out of its cage. And this goes on both sides, all the way back. What I call the North 40 back there. We also have a children's garden up here. This one's just for corn. don't know if you want to zoom in on any of the plants, but a lot of nice stuff. We have a worm farm back there. We have a charity garden. I'll walk you through the children's garden here. We have a few little toys. So we're going to have a little garden store there. We're going to have a tiki here. We'll have the kids plant there. Book exchange there. Games and some more planting there and there. It's kind of during construction right now. And then this is our charity garden. And we just cleaned out this berm and planted it. We have some watering here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more going. Plus they're clearing out these 3. We have another seedling starting area over there. And the worm farm back there. And then the back corner has composting. We have 2 tractors for this one. And then the one back there. So that's our composting all the way back in the corner. You could have everything you can imagine. Seeds for onions. Onions. So in every one of those little balls, there's about 3 or 4 seeds in there. All these black things are inside. Those are the seeds. How big it is. You can get underneath. There's 3 of them right there. Want a good shot of tomatoes? There's a whole bunch right there if you want that. I think we get to the back. But let's look at the other spot. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, some beans down there. Those are pretty impressive there. I don't know if you want to get all these they're going crazy. They're growing like trees. These are new plantings. These were the green bean. Where are they? Over here. Grows and grows and grows. Just cut it off and it grows some more. That's pretty, but you don't see much growth on it yet. Yeah, we saw that bell pepper over there. That's how big these leaves are. They're huge. Huge. Probably is a tree in there somewhere. Gotta find it. This is our little bee house. All those little holes are for bees. They're not always in hives. Some of them are just find places to live. But we really encourage bees around here. We have a lot of bee stuff. Butterfly gardens. You just kind of water them and birds drop seeds and they grow. Awesome. We have volunteers that come water it all the time and they just love it. These plots here are for an older lady and gentleman, and they can't really get down on the ground, so it's kind of for a handicap. And he gets his chair out and his wife sits on the chair and he gardens. Yeah, it's really nice stuff. So these two we donate to Path Point. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 more here.
That's the compact variety, and then we've got those that go
Forever.
years.
We're doing seed starters for the library. So we have a little station set up here on what plants need and how to plant. And we have little cups you can fill them with some dirt. And then we have all kinds of seeds you can pick from. And this is butternut squash. You could start some of those or whatever else you find in here. And then we have little tags, so that you can write down what you planted and what date you planted it. And a little watering can, so you can water it. And there's a hose over there to fill up the watering can. So it's kind of fun. A couple of shells. Good to go. Okay, so if you'd like to get involved in the community garden, you can call us or email us. Our website is seemeatthegarden.org. And you can contact us all kinds of ways, email, phone, whatever else is on there. We also have a Facebook page. But if you want, we have, let's see, they're 10 by 20 plots are $100 a year. It just covers the water cost. We have 10 by 10s that are $50 a year. And then we have a few smaller ones that are $35 a year. But you just pay for the year plus the $20 admin fee and start gardening for a whole year. And we have plots set up, or you can set up your own plot how you like it. Lots of options. So yeah, just give us a call or email us.